In this episode, I'll be preparing for new electrical to be run in this entryway and stairwell where I'd previously removed wood paneling. For this video, I'll be using oscillating tool with a drywall blade attachment, utility knife, drywall knife, hammer, level, Sharpie marker. Whenever I remove drywall, I like to use a level or something straight-ish so that when you go back to reinstall drywall, it's easier to reinstall things when you're working with straight lines instead of, not straight lines. Here's what I'll be doing to all these openings. Before you whip out that oscillating tool, throw on a Sharpie line on your oscillating tool attachment. That way you know you've passed through all the way. Yay! Well, here's how it's going to look for now until I have new electrical run. Stay tuned for how I'm going to make this entryway and stairwell look awesome. But in the meantime, I think I should eat something. Man, some chicken sounds pretty good.